Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in dropshipping with Pinterest ads, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start investing in dropshipping with Pinterest ads, first, create a Pinterest business account. This account will give you access to Pinterest Analytics and Ads Manager. Next, research your niche thoroughly. Identify trending products that align with your target audience's interests. Use Pinterest's search bar to explore popular keywords related to your products. Once you've chosen a product, source it from a reliable dropshipping supplier. Make sure the supplier has good reviews and offers competitive shipping rates. Now, create eye-catching pins for your products. Use high-quality images and engaging graphics to attract attention. In the pin description, include relevant keywords and a clear call to action. Link your pins directly to your dropshipping store. After designing your pins, navigate to Pinterest Ads Manager. Choose the Create Ad option and select the campaign objective that best suits your goals. For driving traffic, consider choosing traffic as your objective. Set your campaign budget and schedule based on your financial capacity. Now, target your audience effectively. Use the targeting options to reach users based on interests, demographics, and behaviors. Upload your designed pins to the ad group. You can choose multiple pins to test which one performs better. Before launching your ads, review all settings to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, launch your Pinterest ads campaign. Monitor the performance regularly using Pinterest Analytics. Track metrics like clicks, saves, and conversions to understand your ROI. Based on the data, optimize your ads. Adjust your targeting, budget, or even pin designs if necessary. Finally, continuously test and iterate your strategy to maximize results. With patience and careful planning, you can achieve success in dropshipping using Pinterest ads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.